The Letschef 14in Carbon Steel Wok Set is like a trusty old friend in the kitchen. It arrives with a 14in hand-hammered wok. This wok feels strong and ready for action. You also get a wok ring for stability on your stove. Plus, there are spatulas and a cooking skimmer included. This 4-piece set is a great value. It helps you start cooking right away. This Letschef 14in Carbon Steel Wok Set is made without any chemical coating. That means no PFOA and a naturally non-stick surface after seasoning. The hand-hammered texture might even help with that. It's like the tiny dents create little air pockets. These pockets stop food from sticking. The round bottom and thin edge help with flipping food easily. It's great for stir-frying and many other dishes. Think of the Letschef 14in Carbon Steel Wok Set as a blank canvas for your cooking adventures. It needs a little care, like regular seasoning with oil. But with that simple servicio, it will become your go-to pan. It can handle high heat, which is important for good stir-fry. While it's not bakeware, it can tackle many meals, from quick weeknight dinners to more elaborate entrega-worthy feasts. This wok set offers great deals for anyone wanting to explore Asian cooking. Pros: carbon steel, hand-hammered, round bottom, includes ring, spatulas included, skimmer. Included 4-piece set, no chemical coating, good for stir-fry 14in size, durable material. Cons: not non-stick, hand wash only, can be heavy, uneven heating, round bottom, not for all. Stoves, seasoning wears off, maintenance needed features. 14in size, carbon steel, hand-hammered, round bottom, pre-seasoned, no chemical coat. Includes ring, includes spatula, includes skimmer 4-piece set. This Letschef 14in Carbon Steel Wok Set is great for making stir-fries and other Asian dishes. The wok is made of hand-hammered carbon steel, which is strong and heats up quickly and evenly. It has a round bottom, which is the traditional shape for woks and helps with tossing food. The wok comes pre-seasoned, meaning it has a natural non-stick surface from oil being baked onto the metal. This wok has no chemical coatings, so you don't have to worry about anything unhealthy. The set includes a ring to help the round bottom sit on a regular stove, plus a spatula and a skimmer for cooking and serving. It's a 4-piece set that's ready to help you cook tasty meals. The Letschef Carbon Steel POW Wok Set is a 4-piece set that includes a 14in hand-hammered Chinese wok with a round bottom, a ring to help it sit on the stove, a spatula, and a cooking skimmer. This wok is made of durable carbon steel and has no chemical coating. It's great for stir-frying because it gets hot quickly. However, it's not non-stick, so food might stick, and it needs to be seasoned, oiled and heated regularly to prevent rust and help with sticking. It also needs to be washed by hand and might feel heavy to some people. Because of its round bottom, it might not work well on all types of stoves.